Do you think the policy should continue of reducing 4Ps in favor of AKAP?
In our opinion, Madam Chair, I think we shall give priority to the 4Ps because the 4Ps is for a long-term human development capital formation.
4Ps kaysa AKAP. Ito ang programang pinaniniwalaan ng National Anti-Poverty Commission na mas mahalagang bigyang prioridad ng pamahalaan.
Based on its conditionalities, it addresses health and education.
Ngunit para kay Presidential Advisor for Poverty Alleviation Secretary Larry Gadon, hindi dapat itigil ang AKAP ng DSWD.
They are working and they are contributing to national development. They are paying taxes. Pag nagka-problema, hayaan mo kasi sasabihin mo, may trabaho ka naman eh. Pero hindi ka sapat yung kita eh. Kaya nga meron tayo nitong AKAP, ayuda para sa kapos ang kita.